Hi everyone. The decisions announced by government today are designed to support jobs across our economy. These measures are for people at work, for people looking for work, and for the businesses who provide the employment in our country. A lot of businesses have reopened and a lot of people are already back in work. But the reality is that many businesses have not yet reopened and too many people remain out of work. Just as our society is adapting and learning to live with COVID-19, so too must our economy. This jobs package of over €7 billion is a really important boost to our economy and will help to give confidence. In recent weeks, my job has been to work with colleagues across different government departments and to coordinate spending plans of well over €4 billion, which are being confirmed today. These measures will help firms to retain the staff they have and to hire new staff as well. Businesses will now have the breathing space of an expanded commercial rates waiver from their local authority. The Business Restart Grant is being increased to up to €25,000 and more businesses will now qualify as the eligibility is expanded. The extension of the wage subsidy scheme to the end of March will give businesses the certainty they need and they can now immediately bring new workers in under the scheme. This is a hugely valuable commitment from government to supporting jobs. The number of people on the pandemic unemployment payment is half what it was at the peak. As we gradually unwind the scheme, it is vital that an extensive range of supports are put in place to help people to return to work involving training, reskilling, educational and work experience opportunities and supports. We are providing the money today to do that. I have worked closely with my colleagues to develop a €500 million capital investment stimulus as part of this jobs initiative. This will, for example, fund much needed projects in transport. It will help fix vacant council houses. It will get essential work done in our schools to get children back into the classrooms. It will fund improvements in towns and villages throughout the country, and it will involve investing in a range of projects to support biodiversity and to protect our heritage. We are also committing to spending well over €9 billion on capital projects next year. The €2 billion credit guarantee scheme, providing state-backed loans to businesses, will be rolled out across the economy. We are now expecting the banks to ensure this scheme translates into attractive loan products for businesses. Many of the measures I've spoken about here will help the tourism and hospitality industry, which we all know has suffered so much during this pandemic. But we are doing more. We are giving more funding to Fáil Ireland and we are introducing a targeted tax rebate scheme for consumers. We're also putting in place dedicated support for the arts and to support performances. The cut in VAT is a really significant step. It will help businesses and it will help consumers too. For those businesses and self-employed who have incurred losses this year, we are giving them back hundreds of millions of euro of tax that they have already paid. We can't do everything in this jobs initiative, but I think we have done a lot and I think it will make a real difference. We will now start planning for the budget in the autumn and work is continuing across government on a new national economic plan. We will commence a review of the National Development Plan too. I am confident that the Irish economy can and will recover. We will do all we can to work with you to make that happen. Thank you all very much.